Alrighty, these are lentils. I bet you don't even think about lentils, but you can mix them with your rice. Oh, lentils, they're great. They're high in protein and they're so healthy and easy. You can make some lentil soup. You can pour them over your baked potatoes or sauteed potatoes, lentils. What I have basically is I put a little bit of bouillon in there, which is just a little bit, a teaspoon of the seasoned Better Than Bouillon organic mushrooms. And then I added some of my spring onions and some parsley, carrot, and some, one carrot and one stalk of okay, I'm having a brain thing here. One stalk of celery and a carrot and a couple of spring onions. So spring onions meaning onions before they are developed, not the green onions. Not the green onions, the spring onions. Spring onions are right before they turn into the big bulb onions. So as far as I know, I could be wrong, but as far as I know, that's what spring onions are. I'm going to add tomato in there because I think that tomato will even bring it up more flavorful. So I'm going to let this simmer. I have my barley already done. Isn't that beautiful? And I'm going to mix the two and make a salad with them both. Yeah, this is going to be a lentil barley salad. Go figure. So I'm going to cover that up, let it cook for a while until it's tender. I think with lentils, it should be cooked like rice, which is 2 to 1. Barley, I just kind of winged it, 3 to 1. Anyways, I cooked it until they got nice and fluffy, and they take a little bit. The ones that have the holes on them take a little bit longer. So I allow them, and I just cooked it with water and a little bit of salt. That's it. Nothing big, because I figured I was going to flavor up the other stuff, and then I was going to add more flavor. So that way I could keep it simple. You can also make sweet barley. It can make barley is so diverse. So okay, so I'll show you on the next clip what I'm going to do with these guys, and then here is my my butternut squash. I'm going to be peeling it and making some tamales. I'm going to scoop it out, make it some tamales, and bring them to a dear friend who recently had a loss. And I think that bringing something, a home-cooked meal, there's just something about when someone doesn't feel good, something about food that helps. It's a comfort. It's a comforting, and I think it's so important to. My mother would always bring tamales for those who lost, and so I'm gonna step it up a little bit and make some butternut squash tamales, and hopefully they'll enjoy the tamales that I make. So okay, I just wanted to share that, and I'll show you on the next clip what to do next. Okay, thanks.